India and Australia signed a landmark nuclear pact for Australian uranium supply to fuel India's civil atomic program. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Australia on the second leg of his three-nation tour, held bilateral talks with Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese in Melbourne after attending a business forum. During the delegation-level talks, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese also reaffirmed that defence and security remain central to the India-Australia Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. The two leaders announced a joint declaration on defence and security cooperation and unveiled a roadmap to strengthen maritime security collaboration. They also agreed to institutionalize an annual Defence Ministers' dialogue and signed an MOU between Australia's Maritime Border Command and the Indian Coast Guard. Both sides also reiterated their commitment to a free, open and rules-based Indo-Pacific while advancing cooperation in critical minerals, secure supply chains, cybersecurity, clean energy, space, technology as well as education. Now, marking another step in deepening the India-Australia strategic partnership, Australian Prime Minister Albanese announced the signing of an arrangement to enable uranium supplies for India's civil nuclear energy program.
Today we can confirm the signing of the administrative arrangement to enable uranium exports to India for peaceful purposes under the 2015 Australia-India Nuclear Cooperation Agreement. The arrangement facilitates Australian uranium exports to India to help increase the share of non-fossil fuel power capacity, providing an additional market for the Australian resources sector.
Addressing the joint press meet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India and Australia have decided to work towards a comprehensive economic cooperation agreement and a bilateral investment treaty, taking their partnership to the next level.
अब हमने कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट यानी सीका पर तेजी से काम करने का निर्णय लिया है, जो दोनों देशों के लिए बैलेंस, एम्बिशियस और विन विन होगा। हम बायलैटरल इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रीटी पर भी तेजी से आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Before the summit, Prime Minister Modi was accorded with a ceremonial guard of honour at the Government House in Melbourne. He was accompanied by Governor of Victoria Margaret Gardner and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese. Earlier today, Prime Minister Modi attended the India-Australia CEO Forum and Economic Roadmap Business Reception in Melbourne. The business engagements aim to further boost trade, investment and economic cooperation between India and Australia.
दुनिया अनसर्टेनिटी, सप्लाई चेन डिसरप्शन और एनर्जी क्राइसिस के दौर से गुजर रही है। ऐसे समय में भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का नेचुरल और ट्रस्टेड पार्टनर के रूप में आगे बढ़ना स्वाभाविक भी है और आवश्यक भी है।
Prime Minister Modi and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese also shared a selfie after participating in the business event. During his visit to Melbourne, Prime Minister Modi also met former Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison.